Lollipop shaved ice right here. Another gig, y'all. This time we're in Pearland, Texas, at the pop-up. We got our Snowie Cube Pro. We got our ice right here. It's cooler. This is the tent setup. We got our cups. We got our toppings. We got our sharks for the shark attacks. We got our spices and toppings for the mangonadas, SpongeBob's, soap and water right here. We got our dill pickles. We got our extra syrups. These are the ones that sell the most, the blue raspberry, the mango, and the tiger's blood. So we just keep those stocked by the gallon. We got our extra simple syrup right here. We got our battery source right here, which is going to power the digital cash register. Also, we have our cash box because we don't turn down nothing. Our customers can pay right here. All ways to pay. We got our display sign. This is the inside of the tent. This is the back wall. Lollipops established 2022. That's right. Let me take y'all to the back to show y'all the generator setup. We got our blower. So let them know we out here. We off of a major highway right here in Pearland. That's hopefully we get a lot of customers today. Hopefully we can sell out. They can see that. That's right. Anyway, we're working with the Genmax. Running off propane. Got two 20-gallon tanks, just in case. We should be fine though, 5 hours with this one. Back of the tent. And we got the side right here. Anyway, I'll get back to y'all in a second.